Hold on, we should probably
Yet somehow you aggroed nothing.
Still aggroed nothing. Still aggroed nothing.
What the fuck is up with Ghillie Suit?
There we go, got him.
Anti-aggro.
I don't care, I like it. Alright, you
awesome.
get... Alright,
It's
safe
only
to run.
ghillie suits. 1,000 times more valuable.
Right.
Do you have any loot? No. Alright, yeah, I see 2 helicopters.
Now, the thing with there being 2 helicopters is that one could be a Trizap.
It's a target.
For reals.
I don't know.
Alright, Charlie,
Oh,
find
no.
a tree. Start
They're all
blending it.
Krauts. Are they that smart?
Thing is weird vibe.
There's definitely loot there. Yep, there's loot there.
Wait, where the fuck is it?
Where's the second one?
Look,
Yeah.
Oh my
you see
God.
it? Yeah, I told you.
Screenshot.
Screenshot, I'm fucking recording.
I don't see the other one.
It's there.
It's left.
Black man can't see.
Well, I also can't stop to use my binoculars because it takes so goddamn slow to switch.
It's real life. You didn't know binoculars were heavy. Fucking, I carry around a telescope on my back. Ooh, a supply crate.
Oh.
Grab them medical sheets.
FANFL. Looks like we got a mag for.
Oh shit, there goes the other helicopter.
Here. Skin. Cam.
Alright, take it, Talbot.
You gotta see. What the fuck is an EpiPen?
If you're knocked out, you can use it, and it will instantly revive you.
Oh my god. 10 bandages, morphine, painkiller.
Yeah.
Stenag SD.
Is this a 200 round drum?
I don't need it.
Alright.
I got. Here. I'm gonna drop this. Beating over here. Grab this rifle and actually, Charlie, should he take the rifle and the one?
Yeah, it's better than nothing.
That's a big ass telescope on that motherfucking thing.
It's night.
Yeah, it's thermal. You can see at night.
Civilian clothes.
Yeah, just leave them there. Talbot already took the camo. Alright, go to the other one.
What was in
There's epinephrine things and bandages and stuff.
I grabbed all the blood bags from it.
I grabbed a couple of the bone fixers.
Alright.
Morphine. But now my pack's full because I got a bunch of food and drink and shit.
You grabbed that one mag for the gun, right?
Yep.
Those are rare. I don't want you to leave that. Remember, try not to use more than half of it.
Here's another supply thing.
There's an M16A2 here. With 2 rounds, and I dropped a round over at the other helicopter.
Yeah, but he's got the.
Alright.
5 blood bags, morphine, painkillers, more bandages.
Alright, someone grab painkillers and morphine if possible.
I have 2 painkillers on.
Me too.
Should I make?
I could use some, that's the thing. So hang on, let me look.
Here, I'm grabbing 3 morphine. So I'll have 3 on me at all times, and then 3 blood bags, and then 3 pain.
Alright. Let me see. 1 painkiller, 1 morphine, open. I have another painkiller, I need 1 morphine. So...
Anything on the other?
No, that's it.